Hello everybody, Smarter Cowboy here. How y'all doing today? Today is February the 17th, 2020 at 1:21 in the afternoon. Finally got a good day to ride today. It's not sub-zero temperatures, or not raining or snowing or sleeting or whatever. So, and I thought I'd get out on the bike a little bit, do a little bit of a vlog. Got a few things to talk about today. I hope that you enjoyed that getting on the Can-Am RT video with my brother and Mr. Bolick, Trimark MC. So that was pretty cool. I think that's a doable option. I mean, the feet position is really good. But now the thing is to do the F3 and see how it's going to do. That should be coming in probably the middle or latter part of March, what Jeff told me. So looking forward to that there. I've been watching everybody else's videos and just taking it easy for a bit. Today is Dave Don't Do Crap Day, because I had to throw bales Saturday and Sunday. So it's Dave Don't Do Crap Day. So I'm just taking it easy. Got to get my taxes done tomorrow and all that adult stuff. Miss being out on the bike. I got that PMS, parked motorcycle syndrome, and yes, it still is a motorcycle. It just has a step-through design. So, put the helmet down here for a second. I was asked by my Goldwing group, well, actually, I asked them if I could write some articles for safety, for motorcycle safety. And I wanted to do a big shout out to Moose 3971. I don't know if it was last year or the year before that he did a video on EpiPens. It's epinephrine for severe allergic reactions to shellfish, or mainly for bug stings, wasp stings, and you go into anaphylactic shock. So I wrote an article for our newsletter, and I'll stick it up right in here. And I got the information off of MedMD and such as that, and hopefully somebody that has a severe allergic reaction will have one in their saddlebag. I checked on it, and I can get 2 pens for $146, 2 single-dose pens, but I'm going to have to call my doctor today. I think that you have to have a prescription for that. I would like to keep some on the bike for emergency situations only. And with that being said, I also watch Active Self-Protection channel. It is a channel for gun owners and stuff, and for self-defense, and what would you do, such as that. And he was advertising a ankle trauma kit. So I'm thinking to myself, well, that'd be a good idea just to keep on the bike. You know, God forbid, just in case if somebody did go down and they needed emergency first aid before the first responders get there. So I purchased one of those. And here's a little video of what I've got in that kit. Okay, this is the first aid kit that I'm going to keep on the bike. This is just your basic first aid kit with antiseptic wipes, gauze wraps, scissors, gloves, bandages, band-aids, and just a basic first aid kit. These are gauze sponges for a little bit more bigger cuts and everything. And this is a trauma kit. Has clotting agent, pressure bandages, tourniquet, thermal blanket, and this actually goes on your ankle. But I'm going to keep it in the first aid kit on the scoot itself. So this is the first aid kit that I will keep on the bike. Well, so hopefully, God, like I said, God forbid, if something does happen, then I'll be prepared. It's always just like, wow, just like if you own a firearm, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it. So, another motorcycle rider today on this pretty day. So I'll keep that on the scoot. Make sure that that's in the saddlebag. Well, let's see. What else? You know, I always think of something after I turn the video off, and then it's too late. So, well, I guess that's about it that I can think of right now. So, yeah, that's all I can think of. Well, this is the Smyrna Cowboy here in Smyrna, Tennessee, wishing you and yours a good day. And until next time, adios. Yep, see there? I signed off. And then I remember something. I went to my doctor for my 6 months checkup last Wednesday, and he put me on Ozempic. If you've ever watched network television, I'm sure you've seen those annoying commercials. Oh, Ozempic. Yeah, well, that's what I take. 1 shot a week of, I think it's 0.5 milligram in a pen. So I've been taking that for the past 6 months, and so I've weighed in 6 months ago. I weighed into the doctor's office at 288. Wednesday, I weighed in, and I weighed in at 260. So I've dropped 28 pounds in 6 months, which is really good. My A1C, the last visit, when I was 288, my A1C was 7.1, and Wednesdays was 5.6. All my panels were normal, if you call me a type of normal. So it's really looking good. I'm doing really well. I just keep on losing the weight. And I think probably at the latter part of the year, I'll try to get this left knee redone, so at least I can bend it. And I had a comment from Mike Haley 7 when I swung my leg over the Spider RT. That's the first time I've swung my leg over a motorcycle since the MSF course back in 2006. So it just goes to show you, without my leg cramping up or anything. So just goes to show you that I can do it. I can do it. So I thought I would add that in here. So I told you that I would told you that I'd forget it. So, and then I remember, so I'll just tag it on the end of this video. Okay, well, I've already done my outro, so we'll talk to you later. Be safe. Bye.